Telugu actor Pawan Kalyan was waiting for that one golden moment to shine in politics, and he seems to have found quite a filmy way to grab attention. The actor turned politician pulled off a massive stunt, which his fans may call daring, but is out and out illegal. Pawan Kalyan was spotted sitting on the rooftop of a speeding car, defying all police orders, making his way into a village in Guntur to meet families affected by a recent demolition drive. This visual, which may initially look like a scene from a big-budget action film, shows Pawan Kalyan brazenly leading that convoy, sitting on top of a luxury SUV with his team members dangling on the sides of the doors. The visual shows a bunch of escort vehicles as well following the star's car, and they too appear to be aping Pawan Kalyan's stunt. The car behind had nearly 3 people sitting on the rooftop, just like how Pawan Kalyan is seated on top, and 5 other people dangling on either side of the car. The convoy is seen visibly speeding and swerving on the highway, risking not just Pawan Kalyan's life, but also endangering all his team members, who appear squished and tightly holding on to those car rails. One can only imagine what would have happened if any one of those drivers had to apply a sudden brake, God forbid. Now, looking at Pawan Kalyan's stunt, if you have to compare this with a common man who pulled off a similar act, by now that person would have been in prison under section 184 of the IPC. Basically, the law says whoever drives a motor vehicle at a speed or even in a manner which is dangerous to public, they will have to pay a fine of not less than 1,000 rupees and, more importantly, face imprisonment of up to 2 years depending on the severity of the case. Now take a close look at this visual that has been published by Pawan Kalyan's party Jan Sena themselves. This video shows the usage of drone cameras capturing the movement of these cars right from above. Now, in Indian law, unauthorized usage of drones too attracts a penalty of up to 1 lakh rupees. If adequate permissions have not been taken in the first place, drone cameras cannot be used, and if it is used without permission, then you're booked under section 10A of the Aircraft Act 1934. Well, this seems like Pawan Kalyan's way of sending out a strong political message to Andhra Pradesh Chief